Hey there, dividend enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting weekly update on my dividend portfolio. I'm thrilled to share with you all the juicy details of how my investments are growing and giving back. Let's dive right in. First off, my portfolio kicked off on December 12, 2024, and as of today, it's rocking a market value of $36,860. Now, let's talk about the dividends, the sweet passive income. This week, I've received a total of $111.77 in dividends, with $35.16 coming from JPM Global Equity Premium Income, $34.17 from JPM US Equity Premium Income, and $42.44 from JPM Nasdaq Equity Premium Income. Since the start of my portfolio, I've pocketed $140.43 in dividends, and with a monthly dividend income of $205.41, my annual dividend income stands at a robust $2,465.02. That's a dividend yield of 6.68%, not too shabby, right? Did you receive any dividends this week? But it's not all about the dividends. Let's look at the gains. For 2025, I'm already up by $392.34. However, last week was a bit of a dip with a loss of $12, but that's just part of the game, isn't it? The overall total gain/loss since inception is at minus $563, but remember, we're playing the long game here. Now, let's break down my portfolio allocation. Leading the pack is Exact Nordic High Div Low Volatility at 21%, followed by JPM Global Equity Premium Income at 18.3%, JPM US Equity Premium Income at 18%, JPM Nasdaq Equity Premium Income at 17.9%, Invesco Euro Stocks High Div Low Volatility at 12.5%, and rounding us out is Fidelity Europe Quality Income at 12.4%. Each of these investments brings its own flavor to the portfolio, balancing risk and reward. In terms of action this week, I've made some strategic buys. On January 10, 2025, I added 4 shares of JPM Nasdaq Equity Premium Income for $102.83 and 4 shares of JPM US Equity Premium Income for $99.35 and 8 shares of JPM Global Equity Premium Income for $208.15, totaling $410.33. It's all about reinvesting the dividends and keep buying more shares. So, there you have it, folks, another week of growth, dividends, and strategic moves in my dividend portfolio. Stay tuned for more updates, and remember, investing is not just about the money, it's about the journey. Thanks for joining me, and until next week, keep those dividends rolling in. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel and like this video.